Another siren. Let's count how many they do today and how fast they turn them off. Isn't that funny? They just go ape shit right here when they pass me. Corrupt, evil, fucking evil people running the show. Hear that shit? That's some overkill shit in it. This is a gang stalking noise campaign. They get you all stressed out in every other way, and then they throw the siren on top of it. It's like putting the cherry on the cake. Oh, and look, it stops again instantly. Just like that. Amazing, isn't it? And the other mufflers too. I'm going to document all of this shit. I'm going to share it with the world so people see what they're doing to destroy a good person's life. They got me fired from work today. They ruined my transmission and got me fired. And on the way home, they stalked and harassed me the whole fucking way. A couple thousand of them, literally. Am I that bad of a person that they need to go to that extreme? I mean, they are just fucking hitting me left and right. One thing after another. I can't keep up with it. It's fucking so stupid. They want me homeless with my dog, struggling. I'm surprised this dog's still alive. They killed all my other ones. Nobody cared. Nobody gave a fuck.